Hi, Lessons on the Lake family. We're excited about the beginning of a new fall semester. We're also excited about our new location. We've left the old location on Williamson Road. We are now located on 128 Overhill Drive, Suite 103. We're still in Mooresville. It's only about 4 miles from the other location. I've already created a video to give you a quick tour on how to get there from the old location. But what we're really excited about is our open house tomorrow, August 9th, and Friday, August 10th. Those open houses will be from 5:30 to 7:30 on both days, and we are revealing the launching of Lessons on the Lake after school music and art enrichment program. That's right, we will provide a shuttle to pick your children up from participating schools, bring them to the studio for our program, after school program, where we will have a chance for the students to participate in piano, guitar, or art lessons, along with snack time, homework time, brain games, and social engagements. And for our fun Fridays, we've partnered with Acro Fitness and Cliffhangers. For more information, don't miss out on our open house tomorrow, August 9th and 10th. They start at 5:30 to 7:30. We can't wait to see you there.